Hi, it's time to talk about Uku's new updates. First up, let's start from the client portal. So now, when you are creating master workflows, either your task templates or your project templates, in both cases, when you're adding tasks to the workflow, you can already here say that this task needs to be assigned to the client portal. And you can assign it to the primary contact. So this way, assigning tasks to the client portal is already one step easier. Another thing related to the client portal is the invitation. So once you have activated the client portal for your clients, you can decide per contact if you want to invite them to the client portal or not. And now, here on the sidebar, under the contacts part, we have added the option to send out an invite or resend an invite. And you can also see if a client portal has been sent to this person at all, and if, then when. So now it's a lot more easier to understand who you have actually already sent an invite to, and where you might want to resend it or just send it out for the first time at all. Next up, monitoring. So here you can download the monitoring report, and we have added some additional values to the monitoring report. So now in the downloadable Excel file, you will be able to see the percentage, the balance, the completed amount, and the agreed upon amount for the task custom fields. So it makes working with the monitoring data a bit easier. Let's go over to the dashboard. Now, when you have those clients with those long names, you can just hover over them and you will see the full name. So if you have similarly named clients, both having long names, then you can hover over them and make sure that you're working with the correct clients' tasks. Making a comeback to Uku is task estimations. So in the calendar, you can now again see the estimated time for the tasks for this day. In addition to the estimated time, we still also show the expected time and the actually tracked time. So now you just have a few more values. And when I click on these numbers, I will land in the report. So if I click on the estimated time, I will land here in the tasks view. Versus if I go back to the calendar and I click on the expected and track time, then I land in today's time view. Next up, let's go to the clients. When you are changing the client workflow here under Edit Plan, and you add new tasks to the workflow, then we will show the new ones as blue and the previously already activated tasks as green. So it's a lot easier for you to differentiate between the tasks when you're switching them on and off. Also available under clients is now a list of uploaded documents. So you can come over here on the client profile, you have the tab documents, and here you can see all the documents that you have uploaded for this client under the client or on the tasks. So it makes it that much easier to find any kind of documents that you have worked with recently. Now, if sending out an email has failed, then here on the communication tab, if you ever see a failed message, you will also now see a resend button there to make it easier to resend those emails that didn't go out the first time. And last up, let's go to the email signatures. We have added an option to edit font sizes. So in my signature, the bottom text. I might want to have this in a small font. So here under format text, I can switch font size to be small or big. So I can make these long texts be in smaller font. Alright, so that was it. These were today's updates from Uku, and stay tuned for news.